Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and happy 4th of July to everyone. We are here in South Carolina today, and we're at the trailhead for Riley Morgan Falls. And as you can see, there's only 3 cars parked here in the parking area, which I say parking area loosely because it's literally just both sides of the road as far down as you can go. And I didn't get it on film, but when we came back out, there were more than 20 cars parked here. So you know it's extremely popular, and you do want to get here very early so you can get right up front like we did. But one thing to note, the trail, I can't remember exactly, but it's a little over a mile. But the trail to the waterfall is downhill the entire way. So it's really relaxing, very nice. That means that the trail to your car is going to be uphill the entire way. So make sure you save some water, take plenty of rest, especially as hot as it is right now. I'll say this is probably one of the nicest swimming areas I've been to on the channel. It was really enjoyable. I think we spent probably an hour longer than I meant to, but it was just so nice it was hard to leave. But we're going to go ahead, hit the trail, and take you all the way down to the waterfall. I did get some great drone shots as well, so I'll put everything together and get down there, show you where we're exploring today. Hope everybody's enjoying. Have a good 4th and follow along with us.
See, the picture online made it look like it was a lot shorter, a lot smaller. Wow. I can definitely use the drone here. Wow. But also the picture online made it look like it was a lot wider too. Very nice.
Alright everybody, so this is Riley Morgan Falls. We'll say just outstanding day down here. You can see it's starting to get crowded. There are more people, but I will say everyone that I met today, even though it got crowded, lots of people, everyone, they were just super friendly. Everyone's in a great mood, which is kind of hard to be in a bad mood when you're down here with such a really nice area. Had fun swimming. The drones, you know, I had fun with the drone today. Had a chance to really drone around a waterfall, which I have not been able to do yet, and I do have others in mind for that. One thing I'll note, like I said, it's a little over a mile, but this trail and the waterfall at the end is so nice that I actually ended up doing this trail twice today, partially because it's so beautiful, but partially because that's what you do when your trailmate leaves her keys behind, and you don't realize till you get all the way back to Walhalla. So had to come back, run the trail again, and again, I'll say the people down here were excellent, because as soon as I got down here, the first person I asked, they're like, "Oh, your keys are right here." So, you know, luck was on our side, thank goodness. And so then I got to hike back out again, but still wonderful day. After this, we went to Charam Falls. Much shorter video, but that'll be coming up later. Still a really pretty falls as well. So thank you everybody for coming back. I'm gonna go ahead and head back up the trail again and call it a day. Everybody, I hope your 4th was great. Be careful out there, and I will see you again soon. Bye.